Well, guys, I did like a silent catch and release on the Motorola Razr Ultra because I actually really like this phone. But at the launch, it came out right in line with the Z Flip and the Z Fold, and I just couldn't give it a fair shake. So at that time, I paid $1,500 for this exact phone. The Mountain Trail, to me, is the best colorway of them all. They have a deep red one on there, but this Mountain Trail is beast mode. And I really genuinely like this phone for the short time that I had it. I ended up only putting out one video, but I am charging it up now because, folks, I got this phone for $750 and a set of earbuds powered by Bose, obviously. And I got it both for $750, and I couldn't pass up on this deal. Currently, Motorola has these phones on sale. They have pretty much all the phones on their website on sale, and it was just too good of a deal. Now, I felt some type of way about the price, but I still kept the phone for a little bit, and at the last second, I actually sent it back. But I didn't want to give this phone an official catch and release because I actually really liked the phone for the time that I used it, which was only for about a week or so. And that just wasn't enough time for me to say, hey, this is my review. I didn't want to do that to you because I don't like buying phones and reviewing them and send them back within a return period. So I am charging this phone up, and it charges really fast, by the way. And I've got it signed in. I've got all my apps. Everything's on here. I just wanted to show you guys that it was back, and it is just as good as it was the last time I had it. But the difference is I have some free buds this time, and I'll be checking these out too. So all of you people out there who told me, Jay, you're going to love the Ultra. Remember, I started with the entry level one, and I got it for like $300 or something like that. And that was really good. But I eventually got rid of that one once I got this. And I ended up getting rid of this because it just sat for too long in that around that same area. You got to launch them at the right time. And anyway, I'm going to give this phone a fair shake because I actually did like it, like I said before. And I'm going to keep it this time because $750 for both of these, that is a steal. Currently, they're offering a free case and the phones, and I think they're $700 off now. So I'm just going to dig in and give you this review on this phone. I took my SIM card out of my Pixel Fold, and it is now in the Razr, and I'm going to leave it in here until something good comes out. And I do have multiple phone numbers, but this is my primary phone number. I'm being totally transparent. I ain't going to use this all the way through because at this price point, it's actually a better deal than a lot of folding phones on the market. This is a 1 terabyte, and I got these Bose powered Motorola Buds, so pluses. So I've never experienced these before. So you tell me in the comments what you think about these buds right here and what you think about the phone. For those of you that had it for 9 months or had it since launch, let me know what you think because I bailed on it. I used it for a week, then I bailed on it, and it was a silent catch and release. If you guys know my catch and release series, it's phones that I don't like, and I end up getting rid of them or returning them. With this phone, I liked it. I just couldn't fit it in my schedule, and now I can. There's nothing else that's coming out currently that I want to buy, so this phone is the one. I'm going to use this phone, and I'm going to give you a review over the next 30 days or so. I'm going to give you several videos like I do. I do have other phones that I'm going to review and other products that I'm going to review, but this is going to be my primary phone going forward. And if I hate it, I hate it. If I love it, I love it. If it's a mixed bag, I will be as transparent as I always am with you guys for these phones. So quick video, the Motorola Razr Ultra Mountain Trail is back, 1 terabyte with the free buds. I can't believe I got this deal. Look on the website right now, and they're giving away a free case, like I said, but no sponsorships or anything like that. I just really wanted this phone again. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned and stay locked for more content. Take care.